Hey super swing traders, I hope you're doing good. Today we're going to take a look at some charts and see where we can identify supply and demand order flow and trade it for income. Let's take a look at the EURCAD. It's been about a month since we last updated a video on this forex pair. On the monthly, demand zone is still holding and it rallied. It made this bearish pin bar candle here, but we could say that it's still an overall downtrend with monthly demand zone in control right here and down here. So we don't want to short because this area is in this monthly demand zone is in control and it's been tested, but regardless it could still make a move up. But it looks like it's going to move lower because it tried to rally. It made this bullish move, and then the sellers brought it down with this EMA line helping, and also with this very weak area of supply that I don't want to draw because it's not really strong and it's not really high odds. So on the weekly, we have price retraced to this zone, and then it didn't touch it, and it rallied and it made a huge downward move, and you can see it better on the daily. The daily, this area of supply is the same as this, and price almost touched it. I took the whole zone here, and even then it almost touched it, but then it went down. It didn't touch it, but then it went down. But we can consider this that the zone has been reached, because this is the zone, but then it just didn't touch it. So the last time I analyzed this forex pair, we said that we don't want to short there was an overextension, so we don't want to keep shorting here or here or here at these levels. We don't want to short at these areas of supply because it made a drop, base drop, base drop, so it's overextended. So we don't want to short here. We want to short at the higher time frame because our daily chart is indicating that there's a shift of momentum. On the 4-hour, it made this bullish engulfing candle that's pretty strong, but it just did not have enough power to go higher, and so we did not want to go long here. We're expecting this to break and then new area supply zone being created, and for price to move back down to at least this area demand. And even then I wouldn't go long here. I just drew it because this is a valid area of demand. I would if you're trading like the daily 4-hour, 1 hour, maybe there might be something there, but I wouldn't trade. I don't trade that low of a time frame. I trade either the monthly, weekly, or daily, or the weekly, daily 4-hour. So if I'm trading the weekly, daily 4-hour, I do not see anything on this forex pair that is tradable, because the weekly supply zone is in control. So to go short, the daily is technically supply zone in control, go short, and 4-hour is to wait until price gets lower, because this area is not strong, so price is likely to go down lower and lower into this area of demand down here. So we're waiting for price to either rally on the monthly and rally up, and break this area of supply zone, or we are expecting it to go lower to this area of supply right here. And there's two levels here, but then both of these are located within this area of demand on the monthly. So that's the analysis on EURCAD. Monthly is in a downtrend, but area of demand, its monthly area of demand is in control. So we don't want to short in here. We don't want to short here because we can get taken out by this higher time frame demand zone. And the weekly is in a clear downtrend. For it to be considered an uptrend, it needs to break this area of supply. And the daily is consolidating. It's consolidating, but then the daily area of supply is in control, so it's bearish consolidating. And the 4-hour looks like it's gonna go down. So based on this analysis, it looks like the monthly is penetrating deeper and deeper into this monthly area of demand that we're looking for to break this monthly demand zone. And this trend line is acting as resistance. This trend line and this EMA line is acting as resistance for this to go lower. So on its way down, we want to short on its way down. And on the daily, we want this area of demand to be removed. And so yeah, that is the analysis on EURCAD. I hope you found it helpful. Please share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button below and click that little bell icon. That way you'll get notified of the next video that I publish. Thanks again for watching.